guys remember last year at Oakmont, he needed birdie on the 18th in the final hole to tie Cabrera.
Makes a mighty left shot. Can you hit
He
it?
likes
Can you
it.
get the right distance?
Oh, look at that. All right, let's see what we got going on in the house here. Okay, what do we got here?
Oh, I know that.
Do you have a bowl?
We have some
Outside. I
food,
would have had it for a week and I would have.
The bread basket.
all kinds of
great.
stuff.
Towel cleaning.
Just starting here.
Napkins. I like all kinds of food.
Got Grandpa James.
Happy Father's Day.
We got
2009.
Anthony Rivera.
Everything's outside.
Drinking my tie, getting drunk.
Yeah.
Alicia's
right.
still here.
Listen, the DNA report is in. You're not mine.
What the hell are you talking about, old man?
The DNA report's in. Sayonara, kid. I don't know you.
Too bad. Too late. I've already spent it all. And let's go outside here. It is Father's Day, so all the ladies are cooking. Got Grandma Marguerite dancing.
Absolutely.
We got some chicken going on the grill, chicken skewers going on the grill.
What's the name of it, Maria? What is
And we're going out to Nicholas. What are you doing? What? What are you doing? Are you drinking a Mai Tai? Mm-hmm. How is it? Good?
Yes.
This is on Greece. Oh yeah, it is.
Is it?
Me and my mom were watching Greece yesterday. We were
Look at
singing
this.
along and dancing.
Do, 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 do.